Today we're making almond and orange biscotti.
Pulling an espresso shot and taking them on a trip to the beach.
First, we cream melted butter and sugar.
If your only experience with biscotti is the rock-hard store-bought variety, then please try this recipe. I went from a solid no on any biscotti to liking Amy's version.
Oh, thank you. Well, that mixture is creamy. Sift the flour, baking powder, and salt together.
Add egg and vanilla to the butter and sugar mixture. Then add the zest of half an orange. The orange zest is my favorite addition. The orange aroma fills the room when it's baking.
Add the sifted flour mixture to the mixer.
Rough chop some almonds and mix them into the dough. On a floured work surface, shape the dough into a log, then flatten it to about 4 inches wide.
Transfer to a parchment-lined baking pan. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Remove to a wire rack until cool enough to handle.
Cut into half-inch slices.
It is important to use a serrated blade so the biscotti doesn't crumble.
Rearrange the slices on a baking tray and bake them for 10 minutes on each side. This is the step that gives classic Italian biscotti its signature crispness.
Then it is done. We wanted to have some with coffee.
In Italy, you're likely to find this biscotti dipped in sweet wine after a meal.
But we are not Italian, so here we are just dipping it into some freshly prepared espresso.
It has a nice toasted crunch, but it's nothing like store-bought.
Feel free to adjust this recipe by swapping the almonds for pistachio or hazelnuts, or even dipping them in chocolate. Use this as a base to make your own version. And that's it for today. We hope you enjoy this video and this recipe. Until next time, we're signing off.